Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, wipers, variable speed intermittent, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.